Converting an oil lamp or a kerosene lamp to an electric lamp is fairly easy once you understand what you have and what you're working with. In this case, what we have is a number 2 burner on top of a glass 2-piece oil lamp. I know it's a number 2 because of the collar size. There are 3 standard collar sizes. This is a number 1, a number 2, and a number 3. Most applications are in a number 2, as this lamp is. So now that we know it's a number 2 collar, all we need is an electrified burner or adapter to turn it into electric without any modifications to the lamp. We first want to unscrew the old burner from the lamp. Then we want to make sure the fount is clear of any kerosene. We could dry it up with a rag and let it air out. Next, we want to choose what type of converter we want. If we would like to use a fabric shade with a harp, we have this type of adapter. It has a number 2 color adapter on the bottom with a standard socket and a side outlet, so you don't have to run your cord through the lamp. This type of adapter screws directly into the collar and allows you to plug the lamp in, electrify, and hang a fabric lampshade from the top of the harp. If you wanted to use a more traditional glass shade and chimney approach to your electric lamp, then you could use an adapter kit like this. So you have a gallery, a shade holder, and your chimney would fit on top. But at the bottom you see a number 2 adapter with the cord comes out the side. So again, you don't have to run the cord through the lamp. And finally, if you're looking for something a little more simple, with just a chimney and an electric socket, you can use a kit like this. You can see an electrified burner with a number 2 collar threaded on the bottom. And it simply threads into the collar on the lamp. And that's it.